Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander. On a little solo hike today. Heading towards Mission Creek for the weekend. Hang out with some friends. I'm hiking in 16 and a half miles up to PCT. It'll be the beginning of the C section. You see homes right down there. There's San Jacinto. Got some snow on it. Can't see San Gorgonio, it's in those clouds. I think it's going to take me about 6 hours, 6.5 hours, if I plan this right. I do have a escape plan if I have to. Gonna meet Susan in the Whitewater Preserve if I have to abort the hike for any reason. Here, I'm now entering the Mission Creek Preserve. Probably less than a half mile to where we're gonna be. Yeah, it's pretty dark. First morning in camp. Everybody's up already. I'm just getting up. Already losing things in the tent, but morning. Here's the setup in the everybody's cooking. Got Susan over there. Got Huck Outdoors over there. Got Eric and David. And here they're making it's Paul.
Hey.
I
love that big front lens on it.
Yeah, my filter. It helps a lot. Oh, we got Eric. We got breakfast. We got eggs and hash browns and sausage and Susan
And like, you see how the trail's like lined with rocks?
Uh-huh.
Like have it like right there, and then right there, and then the trail like.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
And then maybe like I have this empty spot right here.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I could put like the trailhead sign right there.
That'd be really cool. You need a mountain. Don't forget a mountain.
Well, like I'm doing. Yeah, probably mountain, because I was thinking of clouds right here. Somewhere.
You could do a mountain and have the trail come from like the mountain into that tree.
Well, like I don't have a lot of space for a whole mountain down there, or like even the whole.
No,
trail.
but like a silhouette maybe.
Like I was thinking maybe shading of a mountain.
Yeah.
Like I have room for shading of a mountain, I think.
Yeah. I mean, you know that I'm not artistic, so I couldn't draw it for you, but I can think of things.
Did I tell you about the time that I'm pretty fucking sure I saw a mountain lion in Cabazon?
No, but I wouldn't be surprised.
Like,
They're coming down from the mountains.
Like, I'm 110% sure that it was a mountain lion. Like, I didn't report it to nobody because I didn't want them to go out and kill it. Or look for it. But, you know how there's, like, there's train tracks right there? And there's, like, some bushes next to the train tracks?
Yeah.
It, like, I crossed on my bike. and I heard something in the field, like just like moving. And I stopped my bike and I looked. I didn't see anything, so I kept going. But then, as soon as I passed by, I kind of like saw something in my peripherals.
The idea there was, that would be, my belly would be here, what would be doing about here. Yeah, then I could switch it where it's upside down, so it looks like I showed me from my eyeball.
And then so I turned around, and it had like the tail shape of a mountain lion. And it was standing in the middle of the street. It ran out from the bushes.
Yeah, I wouldn't. You might not have seen a mountain lion. It might have been a bobcat.
Bobcats don't have tails.
Oh, that's right.
This had the whole thick tail.
Well, it could have been.
That like it like came down and scooped down like this, and then back up.
How long ago was it?
A few months ago.
Okay, so after the Cranston fire?
Yeah.
Probably then.
That's the thing on that. You want a blanket on a red. All the way and my dear, we're still alive. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
There are only 2 layers which bind me. Free me so that we can dance around. That's the riddle, guys.
I'll let you ponder that for a little bit. We can pass this around too if you want to.
Oh, say it one more time.
Read it one more time.
One more time, one more time. Okay.
What's that?
I hope he's gonna learn this one. Put his good ear.
I got a big one here.
Alright. You will find me where it's cold, surrounded by blankets of crystal and white. I am a seasonal offering created of 3. My magic lies beneath the felt. There are only 2 layers which bind me. Free me so that we can dance around.
Poison oak!
Is that the elf?
An ice cream sandwich.
Poison oak. What's the search?
That sounds about right.
Is that an answer or is it something we have to look for?
Let the brains
It's actually
ponder.
closer.
Let the brains ponder, yes.
You have to look for it.
Okay, we got 3. Winner! 3 people here in the ugly sweater contest.
I think it's my daughter.
Let's see here. How are we doing it? Applause. Applause. From the applause that I heard, I would say you would be the winner. Go, 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 go.
Al. Come on, Al. Go get it. Ready?
Go. Watch it.
Someone's getting hurt here.
You guys are serious about it.
Keep on going.
Go!
I think they're more vicious than we were.
You're right. Here, oh, it's beautiful.
It's really dark in here.
Oh, the urban gear.
I'm agree it's time. This how long is it?
What number are we at?
7, I think.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año. Loco. Hey. How you doing?
Can I find you guys?
And then we go away with the butter.
One-man band. Okay, pass some numbers around.
We should have bought more of these.
Which one's Judas? It's hard to say.
Eric, look this way. Yeah, I think we got him.
Yeah, I think we got him. Yeah, it's. Okay, guys, this is. Look, there's Al. There's Al's tent. Yeah, we got the gathering place, all the chairs and the fire pits, and Jason's cot tent, which is probably on our to get list for some places. Then we got Paul and his teepee, which is pretty cool. And there's Christina's tent.